What is up, everybody? It's time for another market update. And today we are talking about the fact that markets are changing. What does that mean exactly? Well, for one, rates are down a little. I mean, it's about a quarter of a point, that's something. We haven't been able to say that pretty much all year. So we're going to take that as a win. The rates are down. So that could change the game for some people in regards to overall qualification because, you might have been right at the cuff with the debt to income ratio caps. So keep that in mind. And in regards to markets changing, just keep in mind if you're a seller or a buyer. On the seller side, a lot of people are really frustrated with having their homes sitting for a little longer than we're used to seeing. And just be reminded that the white hot market where we saw listings take place in 3 days, it was already under contract with way over asking offers and cash offers out of nowhere. That was a really, really white hot market. And what I would say is the changes that we're seeing is just a hard correction because we got a little spoiled with some of that activity, super low rates, right? Now, I know that some people have a little bit of panic in the air with some of the stuff that's going on, but we're not headed into a crash. We've talked about that before. So if you're on the buy side, just understand that there's opportunities. There's opportunities for you to potentially get some properties with a lower price point, okay? And we're actually starting to say this a lot. You're marrying the price, dating the rate, right? So if you can get in a lower price point and maybe your rate is higher, but you're just dating that rate. So later on, you're gonna basically refinance once the rate comes down. You're gonna get rid of that rate and date the new rate, new lower rate, right? And that's likely gonna happen within the next 1 to 2 years, maybe even sooner. So just keep that in mind. And if you're on the seller side, we've talked about the 2-1 buy down program. Check out some of my videos on the playlist for the market update on my YouTube channel, and you'll see an explanation of how the 2-1 buy down program works. Whether you're a listing agent or a seller, check that out because that really does incentivize buyers and it helps counter the rate levels where they're at right now. So just hopefully keeping everybody's spirits up. It's really been an interesting year. We've seen a lot of people exit the industry as far as the people servicing loan officers, real estate agents. So if you're a loan officer, real estate agent, continue to stay the course. Know that it is going to get better. But overall, these changes are some things that can be a positive for a lot of people. So keep us in mind. Let us know how we can help. Appreciate you tuning in, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.